Here are 7 quick and easy strategies on how to make money on YouTube in 2022. You're going to enjoy this one. Let's get into it. Ooh. Here are the top 7 ways to create your first full-time income online with YouTube. And we're not talking about any online income or revenue. We're talking about income that could be completely passive, and we're talking about building multiple income streams. I want you to think about making money on YouTube kind of like the compound effect. You create one stream of income and you make your first dollar and several dollars and then 1,000 with one type of income. Then that's just there for eternity. Then you can create another type of income over here and keep stacking your methods of creating income on the most powerful platform in the world. Before we get into it, I have a special announcement. A brand new fire training has just come out. If you want to know how to get the right type of fans and buyers online, then you need to get your hands on this ASAP. It doesn't matter what you sell or do, we all need to attract people, or else we have nothing. With the help of this new training, you can attract your dream customer straight to your platform rather than trying to beg people to follow you. What would happen to your business if you had hundreds or thousands of target customers coming to you each and every single month? Click the link in the description down below now to discover how you can make that happen for you. Now then, let's hop into this. And with this method, it may sound obvious, but I need to talk to you about it. And that method is number 1. Create views on your YouTube channel. I know a lot of people say this to people wanting to build an audience and get started on YouTube and make money. They think that they need to have millions of subscribers and tons of followers. However, this is totally a myth. And if you don't believe me, go to any other YouTube channel, mostly for beginners, and look at their videos, and they will instantly say to you this one thing, that you don't need to have a massive Kim Kardashian style following. What you need on YouTube first are views. Views are what's going to make you a lot of money on the YouTube platform. The reason is because views are what's going to drive traffic thanks to SEO or search engine optimization to your channel. That's what's going to bring you the highest quality leads and buyers to your channel who want to buy whatever it is you're selling. But I would say the number 1 thing you need to focus on in the beginning is setting up your channel the correct way to receive optimal views and to be in position, even as small channel you have, to get ranked on the first page of YouTube. It all starts with getting started. What I recommend first is creating a YouTube channel. You're going to need a Gmail account in order to create a YouTube channel. Once you create that YouTube channel, you want to convert it into a branded YouTube channel. A branded YouTube channel is kind of like a business account. When you can change the name, you can add different channel managers, you can have people help you optimize your videos, upload your thumbnails. That's later down the line. It's very important to have this branded channel first. The next thing when getting started is you're going to want to narrow down and nail on your niche. This is very important. Some people get too intimidated by the fact that, oh, I'm niching down too much, or oh, who's interested in this little specific thing? The more you narrow down, the more it's going to help you get that snowball effect growing in the beginning, where the views just keep compounding and compounding. The views then bring you subscribers, and then the subscribers later on bring you sales. It's a cycle that keeps repeating and repeating, but it all starts with the view, nailing your niche and using a keyword search tool. My favorite one is vidIQ. I will leave a trial link in the description down below. Click there right now to sign up. If you don't like it, you can easily cancel hassle-free with no harm done to you. The link will be in the description down below. But vidIQ allows you to find the hottest titles, streamline your workflow, work faster. It does a lot of heavy lifting for you when it comes to SEO and finding the best titles that are going to help put your videos on the first page of YouTube quickly. In the beginning of your YouTube channel plan, you want to be posting a minimum once per week, especially in the beginning. That is going to grab the attention of the algorithm. Take it easy and be consistent about posting every week, at least once per week, to get some traction going. Now that you have the engine of your channel going with the views, let's talk about monetizing it. And one of my favorite ways is number 2, affiliate marketing. If you've been following this channel for a while, you know that affiliate marketing is my favorite. I have a lot of videos and articles about this topic. But for those who are new and are not familiar with it, affiliate marketing is promoting another business or influencer's link to their product or service. And if somebody purchases their product through your link, you get a kickback and you get a commission. This could be anywhere from 10% to sometimes even 80%. It all just depends. The good healthy range is anywhere between 30 to 50%. I love to focus on products that will bring me recurring revenue. I love to promote tools, subscription-based products, where if somebody signs up, they have to pay month after month to keep it. This is fun because it becomes a lot more reliable income stream. For example, let's say you're producing or you're promoting one product that has a recurring subscription-based model, and you get that going. Maybe you're making $300 a month from this one affiliate product. Then it's really cool because just with affiliate marketing and promoting other people's products alone, you can make a lot more money and make multiple streams of income just from affiliate marketing. In the past, I used to promote anything and everything since I was pretty new to this and didn't know what I was doing. But right now I'm focusing on 7 products because these are the products that bring me the most recurring income and I believe in wholeheartedly. That's what I recommend when getting started with affiliate marketing with YouTube. It's just starting products that you already have or that you're already using and you're confident with, because chances are you're most likely promoting some type of service or some type of product already to your friends and family and maybe audience, but you're not getting credit for it. I mean, think about it. How many times have you said, oh, I really like this restaurant, you should go there, and the person goes there. The restaurant didn't give anything for it. That's an incredible way to monetize a YouTube channel and was the first way I made my first $100 in a day completely in my sleep. The next way to create a full-time income online with YouTube is by number 3, selling digital products. This one is fun because there's so many different free platforms and online tools out there where you can create free products such as ebooks, logos, animations, maybe even something like beats if you know how to create beats and you like creating music. These digital assets can range from many things. Maybe you know how to program and create different iPhone icon sets and different types of templates that you can download. If that's something you know how to do, then you can monetize it. That with a YouTube channel by promoting these packs and by promoting these digital assets that a lot of people desperately need. Let's take the website Canva, for example. On Canva, these logos, there are presentation templates, there's video asset templates, there's social media templates, and live poster templates. Canva design is for everyone. Canva makes it easy for teams to achieve their collective goals and create professional designs together with premium features. If you're brand new to this and need help, or an experienced worker that needs the most extensive and cutting-edge tools, then Canva is your go-to place. It has everything you could possibly need to create amazing content offline or online. Click the link in the description down below now to start your free trial. PS, if you don't like it, you can easily cancel hassle-free. There is no loss to you. If you can create a digital asset, you can definitely sell it on YouTube, especially if your channel is based around your certain skill set, like graphic design, video editing, or maybe you're an artist and you could do digital art, something super cool like that. You can sell whatever type of digital product that you create on your channel by just popping the link in the description down below and people can click on your product, which is cool because this is a great way to make passive income. Since these are digital assets, they don't have to be created over and over and over again in a massive factory. People can buy these templates or these packs and you can resell them over and over again. The next method is number 4, Google Adsense. Google Adsense is typically one of the more popular ways to monetize a channel when people think of monetizing online. Monetizing social media and especially on YouTube. Google Adsense is when a YouTube creator is able to get approved for the YouTube Partnership Program. In order to get approved for the YouTube Partnership Program, you need 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch hours within a span of 12 months. Once you do qualify for YouTube Partnership Program, you're able to start earning ad share from all the advertisements that play on your channel. These could be the beginning skippable ads, these could be in the middle row ads or end row ads, and really any type of advertisement that you see on the YouTube channel. It's really cool because YouTube shares with you 55% of the revenue that it gains from these advertising buyers who invest into advertising campaigns. It's pretty crazy. There are countless videos about different tips, tricks and techniques on how to increase your CPM, also known as cost per 1,000 impressions, which is the number 1 factor when getting paid with Google AdSense. But no, you shouldn't rely on this income. That's where a lot of YouTubers go wrong, is that they rely their YouTube AdSense when YouTube AdSense could be the kind of icing on the cake. But don't put your whole mortgage and everything on relying on YouTube AdSense. It should be revenue that is in addition to other revenues that you have or that you're earning. And the reason being is because it's very risky. The YouTube algorithm and YouTube could say, we're lowering the amount that creators could make. We don't own YouTube and anything can change with that AdSense revenue. It's not guaranteed. You shouldn't rely on it. But it is definitely a great recurring income stream once you get qualified for the YouTube Partnership Program. Okay, now this is the fun one. The next way to monetize and make your first $1,000 with YouTube is with number 5, YouTube Shorts. YouTube has set aside, according to their article, the YouTube Shorts Fund is a $100 million fund to reward creators for their dedication to making creative, original shorts that dedicate the YouTube community. I'll leave the full article to what's going on with YouTube Shorts in the description down below. Every single month, what they do is accumulate how many people have created shorts on their channel and which people or which creators out of everyone else is creating shorts that have gained the most viralness and whose shorts are performing very well. These shorts creators can now earn up to $10,000. You receive a bonus and you have to accept the bonus from YouTube, and this is on a month-by-month basis. That's what also makes the Shorts bonus program cool, because you could be a brand new creator or don't have qualifying for Google Adsense. This pot of money is separate from Google Adsense, so don't worry about that. You could start a purely YouTube Shorts channel or incorporate YouTube Shorts into your current YouTube channel, receive a notification from YouTube that very month that says, hey, you've received a YouTube bonus. Now, the next way to earn money and capitalize on this YouTube traffic is with number 6, live streaming. This is something I don't do personally. I haven't found the time and I'm not really that interested in it, but there are a lot of YouTubers out there who make lots of money being streamers. They're live streaming on their channels weekly and sometimes several times a week, and the streams are long. They could be up to 3 hours or 4 hours. Your YouTube live streams don't have to be that long, but there's a couple of ways to make money with YouTube live streaming. You could have a company sponsor a live stream and you could promote their product actively throughout the stream, and they could, for example, you know how people at the start of the video say, what's up guys, oh by the way, this live stream is sponsored by so and today they're helping us give away a free trial to this, a sample box for that, or a giveaway, something along those lines. This gives your audience an incentive and a reason to stay on the live stream, but the main thing it gives is your subscribers and viewers a way to see you and ask you questions personally, live. Having question and answer live can really make it special to a lot of people who never get to interact with you outside of YouTube videos. Another great way to monetize with YouTube live stream is to promote a product, promote an affiliate product, promote your own course, your coaching or consulting program. A big advantage of it being live is that you can answer questions on the spot. If people ask questions about your coaching program or what's included with it, you can answer them right there and right then. And it not only answers their questions, but all the people around. So you don't have people in the comments constantly asking the same question. A lot of people get freaked out by the thought of going live and being in front of a live audience. It's not that bad. There are countless people out there just like you who have done it. The first few times will always be rough, but just like anything else in life, the more you learn and adjust, the better and more natural you will become. You can also make money from people donating to the channel. That's called Super Chat, and there are other ways that people can donate to you live or through PayPal if you don't want to use YouTube directly. Another legit way to earn money online with YouTube in 2022 is number 7, online courses or books. This was my second way of $100 in a day. I created a book and I charged it at the beginning $20, and it was cool because I made a sale not too long after I posted the sales page in business and entrepreneur forums like Reddit and Quora. I was shocked. People actually wanted to learn from me. What? You can package up and share your knowledge in a form of online courses or book. This is how creators are not only making their first $1,000, but they're also making several $1,000s a month, or even 6 figures. There are people like Graham Stephan, Dan Locke, John Costani, and Grant Cardone that make millions from selling several courses and other products. To be able to put your knowledge into a repeatable process and system, and be able to package it and sell it infinitely, and to be able to scale this income stream as well is a massive upside. But online course and book creation is one of my favourite topics because it's passive, scalable, and it allows you to impact lives at the same time. With just one course, you can impact the lives of hundreds or thousands of people and help them go from a journey that they are now to the results that they were looking for, from A to B. Then they can help overcome accomplishments that were thought were almost impossible, and that's by your help. Wow, you've made it this far. Congratulations. But wait. The fun is not over yet. I have attached all the links to the products I have mentioned in this video in the description down below. Go ahead and click there right now. Thank you once again for watching this video, and I hope to see you next time. Make sure to like, follow and subscribe, and also share this with someone else who needs to know this. That's how we build this community. Remember, link in the description down below if you want to go more in depth with these things. This has been Aventigo. Bye for now and take care. Bye!